Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how to add multiple Gmail account in Android phone. Friends, due to some reason, sometimes we use multiple Gmail accounts. So open Gmail app to add accounts. Here press on left side corner of the screen. Scroll it little down and you will find settings here. As you can see, I am already using two Gmail accounts. Press on add account. Press on Google. Enter your email ID. Press on next. Enter your password. Press on next. Press on I agree. Now friends, as you can see, my Gmail account is added in my Android phone. So like this you can very easily add multiple accounts in your Android phone. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.